To clear up any confusion right away, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is specifically designed as a high-yield cash management and savings alternative, not a retirement planning suite. Its main purpose is to hold short-term cash, earn a competitive annual percentage yield through a bank sweep program, provide FDIC insurance, and handle everyday cash needs like electronic transfers and bill pay. Because it functions as a cash savings vehicle rather than an investment or retirement vehicle, it does not include dedicated retirement planning calculators, asset allocation questionnaires, or automated retirement roadmap features directly inside the cash account interface. However, Vanguard as a broader brokerage platform offers extensive retirement planning resources. If you use Vanguard's main platform alongside your accounts, you gain access to comprehensive tools such as a retirement income calculator, retirement expenses worksheets, IRA contribution calculators, and portfolio watch features. So while the Cash Plus account itself is strictly for managing liquid savings and short-term funds, your overall Vanguard login gives you full access to their robust suite of retirement planning calculators and investment accounts like traditional and Roth IRAs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.